A monster make idea!
It's a marvellous tissue box monster.
Let's get monster making! Ha-ha!
Splendid, Murphy. So for this monster make, we'll need an empty tissue box, pom-pom balls, card, stickers and paint.
What would you like to do first?
Let's start by painting our tissue box. Now, any colour would work, but today I want to make ours a monster green.
Hey, great idea! Painty, painty, monster painty! Boom-de-boom-boom-boom.
Once the tissue box is dry, use the card to make triangle-shaped teeth. Remember, always ask a grown-up for help when using scissors.
One set of monster teeth, ready for a body. Here you go, Rebecca.
You know what that sound means.
It's time for the Fabulous Fluffs.
Sticky, sticky, glue, glue, this is what we do. Sticky, sticky, glue, glue, now it's up to you. Sticky, sticky, glue, glue.
Woohoo! Thank you, Fabulous Fluffs. I love, love, love that song.
I'll say you are all rocking. Come on, Murphy. It's time to glue on those teeth.
Sticky, sticky, glue, glue, this is what we do.
Sticky, sticky. Oh, I do like pointy monster teeth.
Sticky, sticky, glue, glue.
Ooh, 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 it's my favourite bit. Let's dance.
Decorate.
Decorate.
Dance.
Let's dance and decorate. Now, give this monster lots and lots of dots. Hey! Great dancing and decorating.
Now it's time to stick on the pom-pom eyes with a glue stick. If you don't have pom-poms, you could use scrunched up balls of paper. Now let's add some black stickers to finish the eyes.
Ah, monster cute.
One tissue box monster, all finished.
Ooh.
Why don't you make your own tissue box monster and decorate it any way you want?